Citizenship interview preparation. Questions about you. Application form N400, Part 9. Are you honest and responsible? Questions 17H and 18. Have you ever made a misrepresentation to obtain public benefits or given information that was false, fraudulent, or misleading? Part 9. Additional information about you. Questions 17H and 18. Have you ever, 17H, made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the United States? 18. Have you ever given any U.S. government officials any information or documentation that was false, fraudulent, or misleading? Questions 17H and 18 ask if you have ever given the U.S. government information that was not true. Did you ever lie to the U.S. government? Words. Public benefits. Make a misrepresentation. Misleading. Fraudulent. False. Public benefits. The government helps people who need financial support. For example, food stamps to buy food, housing support to pay rent, mass health for doctors, medication, and hospitals, free lunch for children in school, welfare payments for clothes, transportation, and other things. Help from the government is called public benefits. Obtain public benefits. Obtain public benefits means to get public benefits. If people want to obtain public benefits, they must write an application. They must tell the government how much money they get and how many children they have. They must give the government information about their families. You must not lie to the government. You must not lie to the government to obtain public benefits. You must not try to make government officials believe something about you that is not true. Misrepresentation, misleading, fraudulent, false. These words mean not honest. If you make a misrepresentation, it means you try to make someone believe something that is not true. If you give false, fraudulent, or misleading information, it means you give information that is not true. It means you lie and try to cheat. Here are some examples. This is Anna. Anna wants help from the government. She applies for welfare, but she lies to the government. Anna has one child, but she tells the government she has 2 children so she can get more money. Anna makes a misrepresentation to the government. She gives information that is false, fraudulent, and misleading. This means Anna lies. She cheats on her welfare application. This is not legal. It is a crime. Richard Smith has a job. His job pays him $80,000 a year. On his tax form, he tells the government he gets $30,000 a year because he doesn't want to pay as much income tax as he should. Richard makes a misrepresentation to the government. He gives information that is false, fraudulent, and misleading. This means Richard lies to the government. He wants to cheat the government. This is not legal. It is a crime. Anna and Richard try to cheat the government. They are not honest. They lie to the government. False, fraudulent, misleading, misrepresentation. False information is information that is not true. Fraudulent information is not true. Misleading information is not true. To make a misrepresentation means to give information that is not true. Question 17H. Have you ever made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the United States? You will answer yes or no. What does it mean? It means, did you ever lie to get food stamps or other help from the government? Question 18. Have you ever given any U.S. government officials any information or documentation that was false, fraudulent, or misleading? You will answer yes or no. What does it mean? It means, did you ever lie to the U.S. government? End of questions 17H and 18, Form N400, Part 9.